Hello, this video is in regards to the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, AAIP, formerly known as the AINP. So this program is for Alberta Provincial nominees. Alberta is one of the western provinces that is made up of mountains and rolling hills. It has two major cities, Edmonton and Calgary, and multiple mini-cities, such as Medicine Hat, Red Deer, and Lethbridge. The AAIP has 3 streams of foreign workers who are living and working in Alberta or plan to live and work here. And I say here because I am also located in Alberta. So, number 1 is the Alberta Opportunity Stream. Qualified candidates who live and work in Alberta and have a job offer from an employer can apply for an AAIP nomination, usually after 12 months of Canadian work experience. Number 2 is the Alberta Express Entry Stream. Qualified candidates with an Express Entry profile may be invited by AAIP to apply for a nomination and for their permanent residency. Tech workers can qualify for expedited processing under the Accelerated Tech Pathway. Now, that program is under the Alberta Express Entry Stream. Candidates may be selected for expedited processing if they are currently working for or have a job offer with an Alberta-based tech industry employer in an eligible tech occupation. You can find a full list of that on our website. Number 3 is the Rural Renewal Stream. Qualified candidates who have a job offer from an Alberta employer to work in a designated rural Alberta community can apply for an AAIP nomination. The Rural Renewal Stream supports the attraction and retention of newcomers to Canada and through rural Alberta through a community-driven approach that supports local economic development needs and contributes to the growth of the community. The Rural Renewal Stream empowers rural communities to recruit and retain foreign nationals to live, work, and settle in their communities. Communities must apply for and become designated before they can recruit and endorse candidates through this stream. Candidates with an endorsement of candidate letter from a designated community can apply using the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program portal. You can check out our website for more details on occupations that are accepted or occupations that are ineligible to see if you qualify. There is also a list of tech occupations that are in high demand for the province of Alberta.